Hello dear students and welcome back to my channel. This video is regarding TS Inter supplementary exams. Students who did not pass can appear for supplementary exams. The theory exams will start on May 13th and practical exams will start around May 22. From today onwards, that is April 13th up till April 20, students can pay the fees and the payment will be through your respective junior colleges. The supplementary exam fees will be collected online only. There is no mode for offline. So after April 20th, no applications will be accepted. The exams will be in two shifts, that is morning and afternoon. So only those candidates who fail to clear their main exam in the required criteria may take these exams. So students can download their memo online. Even your college principal will be able to download the marks registered through their account. The board wishes to make clear that there will not be any issuance of individual marks memo in print form. The students should keep the printed memo until they receive their certificate of passing. So on screen you can see May to June supplementary and improvement exam timetable. The practical exams will be conducted from 22nd May Friday to 25th May Monday in two sessions, that is forenoon session from 9 a.m. to 12 noon and afternoon session from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. onwards, 4 days. Then on 26th May Tuesday, the inter first year English practical exams will be conducted from 10 a.m. onwards and second year students English practical will begin from 2 p.m. onwards on the same day. The ethics and human values examination will be conducted from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. and this is only for backlog students. Next is EVS exam, that is the environmental education exam, will be conducted on 28th May Thursday from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. So on screen you can see the complete dates for inter first year and second year. All exams are same, the dates also. The only thing is that inter first year exams will be conducted in the morning and second year in the afternoon. So for all the main groups of CEC, MEC, MPC and BIPC, the exams will end by 19th of May and after that 2 more days vocational and bridge course exams will continue. Now this timetable is applicable for vocational courses examination also. So a separate vocational course timetable will also be issued by TGBI board. This is an official timetable signed yesterday on 12th April. Supplementary exam fees per subject is rupees 520. Now some inter second year students have this doubt that whether they can write improvement exam or not. So let me clarify this students that if you fail in a particular subject in inter second year, then you can write supplementary for it. But if you want to write the improvement exam, then you have to cancel the result of all subjects and then you have to write from the beginning all subjects plus practicals. In order to write for single subject, there is no provision in inter second year. That is allowed only up till inter first year. So better don't go for improvement. It will be a waste of time and money. If you are eligible for degree with your own score, then go ahead. And for inter first year students also, first you have to pass in all subjects. For one subject, if you want to write improvement, your overall result must be pass. Only then you are allowed to write improvement. This fee structure is as per collegedekho.com. My next video is regarding recounting and re-verification. So stay tuned and hit the bell icon. Students, if you think I was able to help you, then don't forget to hype this video and don't forget to contact me on my Telegram ID if you want easy notes. Do check out the playlist that I gave in the comment section and hit the bell icon to get notified for my next upcoming video.